I was walking all alone through a sideshow with passion and pain on each side. Something inside me was calling for a chance to stay alive. At the time I didn't know what was calling, as my head was buried in grief. Today I heard what was crying, my freedom calling me. And we all make our choices, like a blind man feels his way. And the choice I've made is simple: passion, no pain. When I got to the end of the sideshow and looked back to where I had been, my eyes filled with teardrops of loneliness for the ones who'll never be free. And we all make our choices, like a blind man feels his way. And the choice I've made is simple: passion over pain. I thought of the children in the sideshow as they wandered around so confused. Someday they'll make their decision, but which one will you choose? And we'll all make our choices, like a blind man feels his way. And the choice I've made is simple: passion over pain. And we'll all make our choices, like a blind man feels his way. And the choice I've made is simple: passion over pain. And we'll all make our choices, like a blind man feels his way. And the choice I've made is a simple one: passion over pain. And we'll all make our choices, like a blind man feels his way. And the choice I've made is simple: passion
Večer ne miriše na rakove i školjke. Mesec je bleda fleka boje cimeta. Uzimaš cipele za šetanje kroz snove. Ulica voli ritam tvojih koraka. Vetar se provlači kroz nepoznate reči. Asfalt se miluje sa tvojim štiklama. Suviše mekan da bi mogao da spreči. Ovo je veče puno tvojih tragova. Kad hodaš ne zastajkuješ, zemlju ne dodiruješ, a mene ne primećuješ i uporno se trudiš da me prođe požuda. Još trptim od tvog pogleda iz nekih starih razloga. Ne mogu da se sredim. Ne miriše na rakove i školjke. Mesec je bleda fleka boje cimeta. Uzimaš cipele za šetanje kroz snove. Ulica voli ritam tvojih koraka. Hodaš, ne zastajkuješ, zemlju ne dodiruješ, a mene ne primećuješ i uporno se trudiš da me prođe požuda. Još trpim od tvog pogleda iz nekih starih razloga. Ne mogu da se sredim. Stop the pain of a killing.